ready to build a stunning website without spending a dime. Let's dive into making your professional online presence entirely free with Webflow. First, head over to Webflow.com and click on Get Started for Free. To create your account, no credit card required. Just your email and a password, and you're in. Once logged in, you'll be at your dashboard to begin. Click the prominent New Project button you see. This is where your website journey begins. Webflow offers a fantastic selection of free templates. Browse through these to find a style that resonates with your vision. Don't worry. You can customize everything later. For now, select one that catches your eye and click Create. Welcome to the Webflow Designer. This is your creative playground. On the left, you have your tools elements to drag and drop, like headings, paragraphs, images, and buttons. On the right, you control the styling, colors, fonts, spacing, and layouts. Let's start by adding some content. Click the plus icon at the top left to open the Add Elements panel. Drag a heading element onto your page and type in your site's title. Then, drag a text block below it for your intro. Want to add visuals? Grab an image element and drop it onto your canvas on the right-hand panel. You can then upload your own image or choose one from Webflow's built-in library. This is perfect for your logo or hero images. As your page grows, the Navigator on the left will help you keep everything organized. It shows all the elements on your page as a hierarchy, making it easy to select and rearrange sections. Now let's make it look professional. Select an element you've added, like your heading on the right sidebar. Under the Style tab, you can change the font, its size, color, and even how much space is around it using margin and padding. Before you launch, always check how your site looks on different devices. Click the preview icons at the top: desktop, tablet, and mobile to ensure a seamless experience for all your visitors. You can adjust your design for each breakpoint. Once you're happy with your creation, hit the Publish button. A circumflex euros. It's usually in the top right corner. You'll be given a free Webflow subdomain, like your project name Webflow, to showcase your amazing new website to the world.